So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Barbie Chatterjee here again with you guys. So today we are all going to talk about some scientific skincare products. So as already it's mentioned in the title. So yeah, without furthermore ado, let's get started. But before that, you need to subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell button so that you never miss any updates on my video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll be leaving my ID somewhere on the screen over here. So yeah, without furthermore ado, let's get started. The Ordinary Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. So it has all the ingredients, the directions, not ingredients actually, only the potent ingredients are mentioned, and rest you have all the directions like how you should apply it and stuff. So it contains 10% niacinamide and 1% zinc. So basically, what is a niacinamide, you might be thinking. So while I also purchased this Ordinary products, I was researching a lot. Like I was going crazy on chemistry. Like I hated chemistry, but now I don't know why I was so interested in chemistry. Like I was like researching about the products, what chemicals are being used, why it is being used, what effects do they have on your face. So what is basically niacinamide? It's basically vitamin, it is a form of a vitamin B3. So vitamin B3 has two forms and it is one of them. Niacinamide is often referred to, yeah, it is a form of vitamin B3 and it is found in food and used as a dietary supplement and medication. It's also known as vitamin B3. It is a water soluble vitamin that works with the natural substances in your skin to help visibly minimize your enlarged pores, or if you have any acne problem. So the niacinamide basically helps you to soften your skin down, visibly minimize your pores, and also minimize your lax pores, and it also improves your uneven skin tone. And niacinamide also has that anti-aging property to it, so it's a good product if you are over your 30s or over 25. So it's again a good product for that. But if you are someone who is acne prone, so you can definitely go ahead and use this. So it also helps diminish dullness from your skin and strengthen your skin. And niacinamide also has its own side effects. So what are the side effects? That's not major, it's a very minor side effect. So might can cause mild burning, itching, or redness on your skin, which I haven't faced so far. Like no redness, no itching, something. And you should not, one more important thing is that you should not mix the niacinamide with any kind of vitamin C, because vitamin C is a type of exfoliant in itself, and mixing vitamin C and niacinamide could just break out your skin. For some it can work, but most of the times it doesn't work. So before taking risk, you should do a patch test on your skin. If you want to mix both of them, just you should stay away, because everyone, like the science proves that niacinamide can react with vitamin C and cause irritation, itching, and burns on your skin. So I have been using this Ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum, and it has kind of been a month. So today it's around March, and I had started using this product around in January or something like that. So it's past a month. I'll be inserting video clips where you can see like I'm applying this serum. And if I talk about the niacinamide serum, it usually works between, I guess, 8 to 12 weeks, as I was looking on the internet. But it said that visible results, results are visible after a week or so, like after week or so when you start applying this serum, those minor changes on your skin or something like that. So as you can see, I have finished it up till here right now. So this contains 30 ml of product, and I got this from an Instagram page. So niacinamide serum usually retails for somewhere around 1000 to 1600 or 1800 rupees on different kind of Instagram pages. I haven't, if you directly get from the Ordinary website, it will cost you around, I guess, 1000 or 1200 rupees or 800, I don't know. It's priced around 400 or 500 rupees, and again then international shipping takes rupees 600 or 500, something like that. And then again you have to pay for the customs. So in all total it gets added up and it becomes a huge amount. So that's that. And yeah, I got mine from an Instagram page, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's a sturdy like a glass bottle packaging. The packaging is not fancy at all, but still it looks fancy. I don't know why. It looks simple but fancy. So yeah, it has a dropper right over here, a white color like a dropper, and then you open it up like this. So the serum looks somewhat like this. I'll just show you what it looks like on my hand. So it's that, you know, very ever so slightly a sticky kind of formula. So this is how it looks like. I'm just gonna massage it, and it gets absorbed really quickly. It has that water like consistency, and it doesn't have any fragrance as such. So it doesn't have any fragrance as such, and as you can see, it just quickly absorbed into my skin. While I was using this serum, I used to take around 4 drops on my face, like 2 on my cheeks and 1 on my forehead and on my 1 on my chin. So if I say about my verdict, I didn't like this product so much because like after using the niacinamide product, like this niacinamide serum, I started breaking out a little bit more. I don't know if the niacinamide didn't reacted with my skin or something like that, or niacinamide basically didn't suit with my skin. High hopes for this product, that this product will really suit me and this product will be really good for my skin. But you know, all my hopes got burned into ashes, and I don't have any more hopes right now. Of course, you should try it for around 8 to 12 weeks, but I've been using this, like trying it out for more than a month, and I am over the serum because it was giving me, and as I stopped using this serum, my breakouts are diminishing. So of course I don't think so I would be continuing using the niacinamide serum anymore. Like, it's a hyped up product. I don't know, it may work for someone else, it may work for you, don't get mad at me, but it is not working for me. I don't know why. Like, I really had high hopes from this product, from the Ordinary brand and DCM company. Or like, before purchasing the products, I texted them, I was asking what to use with what or not, because I was researching all the products. So I thought personally asking them would be great, and they would reply to your DMs like this. They were really helpful, they were really kind enough to, you know, share their views, and also whatever queries I had, they were messaging me, they were immediately texting me back and clearing out my queries. So yeah, so if you want to know I would recommend this serum to you or not, like, I probably won't, because it didn't work for my skin. But if you have tried it out and it works for you, kudos. So yeah, without so I'll be inserting the clips here on later by, so that you can see the texture, the changes in my skin, and how my skin feels. So yeah, bye bye. Today is basically the first day I'm gonna use the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% solution on my face, and this is how my skin is right now up close. Like, all the active acne has actually gone. I'm not breaking out now. These are all the acnes that are going away. So this is how it looks like. I have just a little bit of, you know, bumps over here on my face and a little bit on my forehead. So let's try it. I've already done a patch test on my hand and it did not affect, like, it did not do anything. So let's hope for the best. So I'm gonna take it into the dropper. I'm not touching my skin, I'm just taking 1 drop on each side. Wow. And I'm just gonna massage it into my skin. It just feels like nothing. It has no fragrance. It really got, like, it easily got absorbed into my skin. Like, I've already washed my face, I've applied toner, and I've also applied the under eye cream. So yeah, I'll be back with day 2. I'll be back with another day. Let me give you an update about my skincare routine, like my skin right now. So I am actually breaking out a little bit, like over here and over here. My skin was all normal before I was using this product. I don't really know which product is causing this problem, but let's continue to use this, and if and if it breaks me out more, then of course I'll stop using this product. So this is an update, and as you can see, my skin is not doing really well right now. Not really well also, I would say. I have a active acne over here and also over here, and you can see those few bumps over my face, like over my cheeks and in my mouth area, my forehead, and also on this side. So I don't think so the niacinamide is really working, because it has been around a month that I'm trying out this product. So I am like not satisfied with this product, I would say. Like, I don't know if it is working or not, because I don't think so, because after applying the niacinamide serum, you can see my face, oh my god, it's going crazy, it's going nuts. Like, my face is kind of backstabbing me, like the serum is kind of backstabbing me. You can just see my skin looks horrible. So I don't think so the niacinamide is really doing anything.